In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot to Asana. Integrating Hubspot with Asana can help streamline your workflows, improve communication, and make task management between these platforms seamless. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or aligning your team, this integration can save you time and keep everyone on the same page. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll find a registration link in the description below to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, open up a web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, log into your HubSpot account. Logging in is an essential first step because it gives you access to all the integrations and tools available for your HubSpot environment, including the option to connect it with Asana. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot home screen. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a navigation bar. Look for the HubSpot Marketplace icon. It's shaped like a shopping bag, and click on it. This will take you to the marketplace where you can find all the apps and integrations available for HubSpot. Now that you're in the HubSpot Marketplace, click on the Apps section. This section is specifically designed to display a catalog of applications that can be connected to HubSpot. It's here that you'll find the Asana integration, along with many other tools. Next, head over to the search bar located at the top of the Marketplace page. Type in Asana and hit Enter to filter the results. This will narrow down the options and make it easy to locate the Asana app listing. Once you see Asana in the search results, click on the listing to open up the app page. Here, you'll find more detailed information about the integration, including what it does and how it works. Finally, on the Asana app page, click the Install option. This step is crucial because installing the app creates the connection between HubSpot and Asana. This connection allows the two platforms to communicate, enabling you to synchronize tasks and streamline your workflow between the two systems. And that's it. You've now successfully connected HubSpot to Asana. This integration will make it easier for you to collaborate, keep track of tasks, and get more done across both platforms. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.